Hello and welcome to part 14. This is mainly just an update. Not a lot of work has been going on for the last month or so with Christmas and New Year, but now we're into February, and one of the main things that we have had is a bit of expansion on the wood. Now, I know the wood would expand, but not to the level that it has in certain places. This is the reason why we have fitted, we've taken some of the tongue and groove off the sides and done a ply lining in 9mm external grade ply, with gaps around the windows for the portholes, and then we have refitted the oak tongue and groove to this plywood. This is one of the completed porthole liners. We have oiled it on both sides so as to protect the liner when it's up against the window. The winter time is not a friend of the boater. You get the cold, the condensation, ice, things that can really do damage to your boat. We try and deal with the condensation with desiccant backs and the powerless dehumidifier, mainly because we can't leave the power on when we leave the boat. So the one that uses the salts inside does work. It does mop up some water. As you can see in here, this has been on for a couple of weeks and you can see how much water has collected. But ventilation is really important. Anyway, that's all for now. Bye.